So hi po, kumusta po tayo lahat dyan? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Levi's Kitchen. I'm your host, Levi's Mendoza. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook or how to make Bicol Express. Sasamahan po natin siya ng pork belly, pork ribs, and also I'm gonna add lemongrass to it para maganda po ang kanyang aroma flavor. Bago pa tayo mag-umpisa, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment below para palagi nga po tayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Then again, enough talking and let's do this! So after we prepare everything, now let's start cooking. Right here, I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let's add the white onion. And also add the garlic. 9 cloves of chopped garlic. When it's almost sauté, let's add the pork ribs. Let's cook the pork ribs for at least 20 minutes before adding the pork belly. Now this is good. Now we can add our pork belly. Okay, let's add it. Then let's cook another. Let's cook this thing for another 15 minutes. See how it looks right now. Okay, this is good. Halos nagmamantika na yung meat natin, or yung baboy, yung pork. Na nilagay ko na yung lemongrass dito para magkaroon ng aroma flavor yung ating niluluto. Ganyan lang po yan. Just keep stirring it for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the brown sugar and the pork powder. Ilalagyan na rin po natin yung shrimp paste or bagoong. Mix lang po natin siya ng maigi para yung alat ng bagong mag-spread. Ika nga. Mga kababayan, ito po yung ating bagong. Halos luto, nagisa na rin po siya sa baboy. Napakabango. Ngayon po, ilalagay ko po yung isang coconut cream muna. Bali, 2 cans of coconut cream I'm gonna be using on this recipe. Yan lang po yan. Let's add the other coconut cream. Yun ang gagawin ko po rito. I'm gonna bring it to boil until mag-saturate po ng konti yung liquid natin o become sticky ka nga. Yun lang po yan. Ang maganda po rito, ilagay po natin sa high heat yung ating stove. Ganyan po yan, i-boil po ng i-boil hanggang yan. Ngayon po, yun po ang hinanap nating tendency sa lutong ito. Kailangan na sipsipin po halos yung liquid ng gata. Ngayon, ready na po ito mga kababayan. Ang ginagawa ko po, hindi ko po muna pinapatong ang hot Cuban pepper dito. What I do, I just garnish this on the top. Kasi ang family ko ayaw nila ng manghang. Kung gusto nyo, ihalo nyo na kaagad para mas maanghang. This recipe is meant to be spicy. Napakabango ng ginawa ko nito. Yung lemongrass, amoy na mo yung aroma flavor niya. Sigurado mapaparami ang kainin nito ng kanin. Garantisado. Let's add the Cuban pepper. Napakanghang po nito. Spread nyo lang. Gusto nyo. Ganyan lang po siya. Dahil nasamahan ko po siya ng labuyuran. So mga kababayan, ito po yung aking na-produce araw na ito. How to cook Bicol Express with pork belly, lemongrass, and pork ribs. Hi guys, thanks for tuning once again. I hope you enjoyed that video that I shared to you a while ago. how to cook Bicol Express with lemongrass, pork belly, and pork ribs. Just do what I did to it, follow step by step. For sure you won't get it wrong. Ano pa man, hope to see you guys again next time. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Till then, a peace. Babu.